Meanwhile, a deal to keep mining companies honest in paying their dues to indigenous peoples in their work sites has been inked between an arm of the Department of Finance and the National Commission on Indigenous Peoples representing tribal communities. The Memorandum of Agreement, or MOA, will also improve National Commission on Indigenous Peoples personnel to track payments, report and monitor the validation of payment disclosures and community audits. Our Bien Manalo has the report.
After 12 years of waiting, finally, a Memorandum of Agreement or MOA between the Department of Finance, Philippine Extractive Industries Transparency Initiative, and National Commission on Indigenous Peoples has been signed. The agreement aims to strengthen transparency and accountability in the payment of mining companies to indigenous cultural communities and ensure that they comply with royalty agreements.
Hindi lang ito tungkol sa batas, tungkol ito sa respeto. This initiative will help ensure that payments we make are properly recorded and monitored.
It is about building trust, fostering dialogue, and ensuring that all stakeholders, especially indigenous communities, can fully benefit from responsible resource management.
The agreement will also enhance the technical capacity of NCIP personnel in data collection, reporting, and development of monitoring tools that can be used in validating payment disclosures and community audits. The agency is also relating to other branches of government, private sector, and civil societies that will further increase revenue and promote sustainability.
Through this collaboration, we seek to address these challenges by establishing a robust data sharing mechanism that ensures complete and accurate disclosure of IP-related payments.
It is also expected to be a large contribution to the indigenous peoples, now that the Commission's fund was slashed down by almost 400 million pesos in the 2025 General Appropriation Act. However, they continue to take steps to continue their programs, particularly the scholarship programs for the IP youth.
We were still moving forward with our modification and augmentation of our budget. We will be able to come up with projects, with directions that will fully support whatever plans they have in the future.
This will also encourage foreign investors and thus have a huge contribution to the economic growth of the Philippines. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.